Alright guys, welcome everybody. We have been struggling with FOREX trading, losing back to back. This video will help you and able to watch the video to the end so you can gain something insightful from this. Here is what you call backtesting, market backtesting, which many traders ignores a lot. And of course, I preach it a lot, and of course, it has really been meaningful and helpful to many of our students. Last week I was here, I gave us some about how to look and bias, directional bias on what market will be doing typically. And so of course it's not a surprise. So our usual it played out accordingly. So let's go over it and let's see why some of them played out, why some didn't play out, and why we missed out on some. For like unlike this now, EURGBP market was here, it did a gap as usual. Market came back. I said I'm gonna be looking for it's gonna be coming down again. I'm looking for the buy when it comes down. But I believe that what this formation is doing is a downward. After it came down, I didn't see any. Can you see this pattern? Just a normal this. I didn't see any entering. Can you see there's nothing current here? I can move up. Yes, I know that it's coming back to this. I expect what to respect this consolidation here, this little consolidation here, and just come back to me for this and then I can enter. So I missed the entry. The market goes about did about 110 pips. As it has not enough, we also have GBPJPY. Of course, it was here. I said this is one of the clean trade for me. I guess market was here. Yeah, where was it? 19th of okay, so market was here. This is 19, is 20. Market was just going to be coming back to this point, or I find out here. I'm looking for a buy. Then he came back as usual. I said, if you want to sell, you can short, but I'm not interested in the counter trending. I want to trend. I want to go with the trend of the market. So came back, I shorted. We were able to make it a small profit of like 60 pips, but market keep consolidating. And this consolidation has been for about 5 days. If I'm not mistaken, this is crazy, guys. The last time I had experience about this was about 2 years ago. We market consolidated for like 2 weeks. That was crazy. A market, guy, that's crazy. This market has been crazy. But my strongly bias is that what you know, if it can break out, it's gonna be taking away this. And this is my first TP. This place top TP. I'm taking away this. I'm gonna be traveling far. You might do a long buy for 2 weeks because this is crazy. This solution is just too crazy. And if you break below, which I doubt it to definitely be, because let's look at the trend. Let's look at the trend. The trend has been a pure buy trend. Can you see? A pure buy trend. A pure buy trend. For the base below, it's gonna be a crazy one as well. But I'm low, of course, but we're looking for a short. So don't forget, I expected they're gonna be coming down for sell and then finally buy and did that. Aside from that, I also gave us, I think I gave us gold. Okay, I didn't say anything on gold. I can recall, I didn't say anything on market was here at that time on gold. I didn't say anything on gold. I can recall. I gave us EURUSD. You can recall this one very well. This was also clean. I said the market was here. I didn't see the gap because they're 19 and this is 26. Market was here. I said going to be selling because market is highest the market driving into after breaking out. We make the buy. Market came inside our box again and we've been testing above. Whenever market we test here, it comes down. We test here, it comes down. So I testing is retesting under this our trend, this our line. This our dual line that we drew. So I expect it to bounce and come here. Say market bounce. I say I sold. I didn't get this set because I had no entry for me. But I was so sure that it's gonna be coming up. So I keep it out that if you want to buy, you want to sell immediately guys and you make money. Put your stop loss here, you make money. But I wasn't interested and everybody make money. That's about 3 trades played out perfectly. But I didn't I picked this one. I didn't pick the sell, I picked this buy. Then when you come here, I'll be able to pick the buy. Unfortunately, this buy took us 3 days before it played out like this. But unfortunately as well, after playing out, it now took us out. This was crazy. If someone had told me this market would take me out, I would doubt it. Let me show you very clearly what it happens. Let me show you very clearly how it happens. Let me show you. Market bounced first place, second place, and third place. Not just third place. This is our what cycle level. That's two conferences again. Let me show you more you need to see. This is head, this is shoulder, this is shoulder. Three, so it's giving us a lot of things that I will have make confirmation on, but no, this cannot be. This is our head, this is a shoulder, and this is another shoulder. That's shoulder again. So I expecting the worst comes to when we come back to this shoulder, then we acted and still go up. But we kept pull us. I think after realizing I said that there was ECB's conference, press conference, and the market started reacting towards that conference before the commencement and even during and after. So maybe that might have been the crazy unruly reaction and behavior from the market, and that focus. I was so I lost heavily on this market. So yeah, I'm gonna do a separate video on that and show you how we lost that shit on these guys, because I was holding firmly to catch something good. I don't like to catch 20, 30, 40 pips. I catch it long, guys. So that was it on this one. We'll call this one 50 or win and loss. Let's call it loss, actually. Yeah. Let's call it two wins, one loss. I also gave us GBPUSD. I gave GBPUSD. Yeah, I gave us a sell on GBPUSD. I said, I think, I can't remember. What was market safe? Yeah, I think market was on one year. Yeah, 19th Sunday. It's going to be selling down. I was looking for a buy on one sell. We didn't take the buy. We didn't first see an entry, so we didn't take the buy. But I did it for a sell. The sell was an anticipation for a sell, more or less like a counter action, but I didn't go for sell, and the sell played out. That's four trades, 3 wins, one loss. Which other? I think I also gave us USDC share. USDC. Let's see what played out on this. Let's see what played out on this. Let's see what played out on this. Okay, market was here as well. Market was here. Can you see? Market was here. Where is it? Okay, market was here. Sorry, market was here. 19th. I had this Monday, 20. Yeah, market was here. So I said they're gonna be coming down. I was looking to buy, but it didn't come down to my buy. It stopped here. So no entry. I was looking to enter here. As because last time we were here, we pushed out. We pushed back to this point. So I didn't know enter here, so we can push back. But I didn't get anything. I was ready to buy, to sell. I haven't sold this one now. I'm going to sell at this junction here, but it took it because I was using about 8 pips. I was using so low because I wasn't sure. I wasn't too sure. I wasn't sure, so after I lost this. So will I say I didn't get an entry for this one? I lost this, and I lost this. So let's say 4-2. Okay, even though okay, I lost this. I lost, let me say 4-2. But this one, this is the one I projected, and I gave on market that last week. Then I'm looking for a buy. It was totally buy actually a long bill, but I didn't get entering, so I was looking. I could short sell a bit here, then later on. So that's why. So I lost that shit. Another one I gave us last week. Let me look into it, and I remember. Okay, I gave us CADJPY. I think so. I think so. Yeah, I gave us this one. It's so sweet, guys. I didn't take it actually, but I didn't get an entry. I saw the structure. Can you see now? See the structure. Every time market does something like this, that is coming above here, come back, above here, come back. This means that what? It means that what? This is a level. This is what? This is means that what? This is like, let me call it like a fence. Anybody can understand a fence. I want to believe you understand what I call what of Jericho when the children of Israelites were trying to penetrate into they were trying until they eventually penetrated. Am I correct? This is just see this as a war. Now buyers are trying to penetrate. He came back here. He didn't be able to come back again. He came back again. So that means what? From the level they were, they tried at the first times. That trying effort pushed them above here. They tried again, pushed them above here. They tried again, pushed it. So you can see that they are making progress. Means that what eventually what they will break this wall. This wall will eventually be broken. That's what this pattern means. So I've seen it over and over time. I was so sure it's gonna be breaking out. So I told our students, guys, it's gonna be breaking out. I'm gonna be looking for a long buy. I was waiting it to break out, then retest, then push. Unfortunately, I missed the entering. See, that's about 150 pips, almost 200 pips. This is crazy. This is one of the craziest setup I missed, and I'm so painful. That's because it bought for the whole of the week. I told you all of our trades are always banger, and it goes for the whole of the week. Once you can catch it, you should be good for the week. Once you can catch it, because we give about 150, 100, when I say 100, sorry, 500, 1,000 pips. If it is gold, you just be expecting 10,000, 5,000 pips. Most of our trades. I hope I was able to communicate one or two things. I hope you learned something from this back testing. If you have me to do any video on any pairs, can you let me know on this comment? And then, of course, you can don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow us on Telegram. We have educations, free educations every blessed week on our Telegram. And of course, we offer signals. We offer structured signals that can guide you and help you in your trading journey. I want you to join our Telegram, of course, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for joining me once again. I hope you learned something for the video. Thanks and bye for now, guys. Peace out. Love you.